but you're looking fabulous यार. और
Thank
मतलब
you.
हर एक के साथ जो भी interactions हो रहे हैं, it's just too good.
Thank you.
Talking about ईशान,
Mhm.
वो सुना है मैंने ऐसा था क्या कि कुछ क्लॉज था क्या वो शर्ट निकालनी है 25 बार बिकॉज ये
I
बहुत
wanna-
घूम रहा है यार. व्हाट इज दिस लाइक बात बात पे शर्ट कौन निकालता है?
What is this? Is no one is complaining. Let's be honest. The internet is very happy.
You know, we are complaining, no? Like people are going to expect each and every person to be like that. And
I
that
agree.
kind of
The expectations are too high.
हाँ, मतलब बनना
Standard
नहीं
बहुत high बन गया इनके बाद.
हाँ.
He came on screen and now all the boys have to look like this.
Right. एक तो रॉयल्टी राजा है ऊपर से एकदम शर्ट निकाल के.
Oh my God.
Did you guys like have
We had this joke every day on set. The first time he took off his shirt, in the entire set, everybody, including the men, you could hear they went. I was like shining. The abs were like, oh my God, it's blinding.
right.
But it's बहुत मेहनत डालते हैं. He's too regimented, disciplined. So hats off to him.
भाई मतलब इतनी जल्दी अपने करियर पे इतने सारे लोग के साथ काम किया. कॉल मी बे में भी एक से एक स्टार्स. अनन्या पांडे ऑफ कोर्स.
Yeah,
You know,
fantastic.
Veer Das. You know, these guys have been there. और इतने साल से Annalisa comes in और उसके बाद अपने जलवे बिखेर के उन
wow.
सब के साथ you looking fabulous यार. Seriously मैं बार बार ये इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because मजा आ रहा है आपको देख के और बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा कि ये seasoned actor नहीं है because आप अपना काम कर रहे हो अच्छे से, है ना. अब काम की और बात करते हैं. You know, your chemistry with Ginny.
Yeah.
Let's come to that.
Did you like it?
I liked it.
Hmm.
I'll tell you, मेरा कुछ सवाल थे, है ना. मैं देख रहा, of course, वो सब प्लॉट चल रहा था आप दोनों के बीच, है ना. मैंने पूरा वो बिंज वॉच मारा है और सारे एपिसोड्स देखे. मुझे एक बात बताओ. A lot of people are saying this and I want to know कि कहीं ना कहीं did you have this conversation with the makers कि वो inclusivity के लिए
नहीं,
या वो टिक मारने के
नहीं,
लिए?
क्योंकि इस स्टोरी में 2 ट्रैक्स हैं.
हाँ.
सेम सेक्स वाले ट्रैक्स.
हाँ.
तो इट्स नॉट टोकनिज्म. अगर एक ही होता तो देन यू वुड फील लाइक हाँ ऐसे
ये तो करने के लिए कर दिया.
हाँ.
Is it like that?
Because in this world there's more than one story like this. It means in this world it's fine.
Okay.
ऐसे हम टोकनिज्म के लिए डाल नहीं रहे.
हाँ.
Because multiple tracks में ये हो रहा है.
Hmm.
तो you know everybody's got like a upside down kind of love story.
Right.
Even Paddy has such a weird love story with 3 different
I
men.
know. मतलब
I know.
I was like,
She's having
Chunky
like a
Pandey आता है
swayambar.
and then yeah.
Yeah, so I think everything about this has flipped the script. You know, Majisa is so she's smoking up.
Yeah, she's अपने
She's
घर में उगा
chilling.
रहे
She's
यार.
yeah, I know. She's like her weed babies.
Yeah.
So you know, she's doing her masti. So they've taken everything that we're used to and just changed it.
But did you have this question ऐसा दिमाग
Not
में?
at
Did
all.
no, you
Not
were
at
cool
all.
with it?
I was very cool with it because I think love has no gender and it's the same way you fall in love across everything.
Right.
So if I had to be in love with Veer in Call Me Babe, it's the same as being in love with Kavya in this series.
Right. But talking about physical intimacy, you know, that is something very important.
Yeah.
And the way you show it on that big screen, उसको जो दिखा रहे हो आप जिस
Yeah.
तरह से screen पे दिखा रहे हो, so was it difficult or was it like?
Hats off to the creators and the directors because उन्होंने बहुत delicately treat किया है वो सब, and especially because it's this the 2 female in this arc, they've done it really nicely. बहुत tender है हमारा love story and हमारी love story, and it's a very you know there's nothing that's raunchy. और वो हो सकता था. I think there's a way you can pervert this and make it about 2 girls and this. No, but it's very halka and light and sweet and innocent. So I'm very lucky that we had directors like this.